Offered for sale is a 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, equipped with a highly desirable FEC Gladiator tire service body, making it an outstanding solution for tire service companies, commercial fleet maintenance providers, roadside service operators, construction equipment fleets, agricultural service businesses, municipalities, and mobile repair operations. Purpose-built for demanding field service applications, this truck combines Chevrolet's proven heavy-duty platform with a specialized tire service body featuring fixed stake sides, aluminum construction, and a heavy-duty liftgate, creating a versatile and productive mobile service vehicle. Powered by GM's renowned 6.6-liter L8T gasoline, V8 engine producing 401 horsepower, this Silverado delivers exceptional reliability, strong torque, and lower maintenance costs compared to many diesel-powered alternatives. The L8T has quickly become one of the most respected gasoline engines in the heavy-duty truck market, thanks to its durability and impressive performance under load. Power is delivered through a dependable GM 6-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth operation and dependable performance in both highway and vocational applications. The truck features a 4x2 drivetrain, hydraulic brakes, and a heavy-duty spring suspension system engineered to handle the demands of commercial service work. Built on a Class 3 heavy-duty chassis with a 14,000-pound GVWR, the truck is supported by a 4,800-pound front axle rating and a 10,400-pound rear axle rating. The 171-inch wheelbase provides an excellent balance of maneuverability and load-carrying capability, making the truck easy to operate in tight service environments while maintaining excellent stability. The single rear axle configuration and all-steel wheels contribute to long-term durability and ease of maintenance. Mounted on the chassis is an FEC Gladiator tire service body measuring approximately 12 feet 8 inches in length and 92 inches in width. Constructed from aluminum, the body offers excellent corrosion resistance while helping maximize available payload. The deck features a durable aluminum diamond plate floor designed to withstand daily commercial use. Fixed stake sides provide cargo security and organization while allowing convenient access to tools, tires, equipment, and supplies from multiple angles. A major highlight of this truck is the Anthony Level Lift liftgate, rated at 2,000 pounds. This heavy-duty liftgate provides excellent capability for loading and unloading tires, wheels, service equipment, compressors, generators, and other heavy materials commonly encountered in mobile tire service and fleet maintenance operations. The level lift design allows operators to safely and efficiently handle heavy cargo in the field, reducing labor requirements and increasing productivity.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you.